Hello my wasabis, this is Jirbie from Couchwasabi. In today's video, I will share with you my review on the new Happy Skin Perfect Clean Ultrasonic Silicone Cleaning Device. So this is like your local Foreo version. If this is something that you would want to see, please keep watching. So I got this Happy Skin cleaning device as soon as I saw it on Instagram on sale. The regular price is at $9.99. I got it for only $8.99 on Lazada. It's on sale until May 31. But then I used my PayMaya, so I had an additional 15% off. I only paid for about $700 plus, so it's really a good deal at that time. I got this maybe 3 to 5 days ago, and it was delivered to me for the next day. It was pretty fast. I got this because I wanted to try something that uses silicone, so I wanted to compare how it would feel to clean my face with the antibacterial silicone cleaning device as compared to my good old trusty Ultrasonic device. I've been using this for the past few days, and I've used this for the past few months since I got this Ultrasonic Mia Fit last December. So let's start with the unboxing. Okay. The package will come in a carton container like this, and inside you will see a very nicely packed silicone cleaning device. So you just open it up like this, and you take off your device carefully from this holding attachment. Now the packaging is pretty straightforward. There's not much accessories included. In fact, the only thing that's included with your device is the charger. So the charger would come inside this little box right here. And it says here that your Happy Skin Perfect Clean Sonic device has 6,000 micro vibrations per minute. It has 15 levels of ultrasonic vibrations. It's waterproof, so that's amazing. It's portable and rechargeable, and it has a storage case to keep everything together. So I guess the storage case that they're talking about is this already. I was hoping that it comes with like a small pouch or something that you can bring along for traveling, because this isn't really travel friendly. It's a little bit bulky, and this is a little bit brittle to carry around, so that's not really a good storage case. So the charger looks like this. There wouldn't be any wall mount, so you just have to charge this to any of your USB AC adapter. And as compared to your Foreo, it comes with a charging closure, which makes this waterproof. I'm not saying your Foreo is not waterproof, because I know Foreo is waterproof despite having a little hole at the back. So this one, you'd have to make sure that it's tightly covered for it to be waterproof. You can still bring this inside the shower. You can still use it under the shower. I've tried using it and it works amazing. There's also a test I've seen online where they submerge this, not really this Happy Skin model, but an international model similar to this, and they've submerged this device while tightly closed inside a glass full of water, and it still runs perfectly. So it's really waterproof. You can use this in the shower. You can use this in the pool if you wish. So it's really amazing. For the price, the value for money is really great. Okay, so comparing it with your Ultrasonic, for me, I have had my Ultrasonic Mia Fit since December, and there are pros and cons on each side. So for the Mia, I really hated the shortedness of its lifespan. A full charge can only last me for about a week, which is a far cry from my old Mia 2. Mia 2 would last me for about 2 months, I guess. It was really long, but this one, the battery charging capacity is really poor. Coming from your Mia 2 and going to Mia Fit, you'd really be frustrated with this, and you'd really find yourself having to bring your charger, especially if you're traveling for more than a week. You'd have to recharge this. What I like about this Happy Skin Perfect Clean Ultrasonic silicone device is that the charge is similar to your Mia 2. So I haven't really charged this since I got it, and according to the reviews, if this will work similarly with your Foreo or other silicone device that looks like this, the charge would last you for a long time. So That's the upside of this versus your Mia Fit. Another upside is that I find this a little more ergonomically designed than this. This is a little too bulky, although one of the selling point of Mia Fit is that it's travel friendly. It's not really travel friendly. It's a little bulky. This one is a little more ergonomically designed and it fits well with your palm. It fits well with my palm, for that matter. This one has 15 power settings and this one has only, I think, 2. It's very, I guess, straightforward and minimalist. And this one comes off a little cheaper in the long run because your Happy Skin won't have to replace any of its brushes as compared to your Clarisonic. So your Clarisonic, you have to replace the brush head every 3 months. And I guess that is also an upside because you get to have fresh bristles every few months. This one I got for only $700 plus, so that's about $18. And this one I had to pay for $150 plus. So at that time it was already at 35% off from its original price. And with the dollar rate increasing as we go through the day, this would come off a little too expensive compared to this. So value for money, this is really amazing. It works just as well as my Clarisonic. In fact, I've been using this for the past few days and I've noticed that I've cleared up most of my hormonal acne on my forehead. So it works really amazing, and I've also tried using this removing a face full of makeup and it did really well. So for the function, they're head to head. It's just that this is a little more pocket friendly, it's a little more portable. Like, it's very slim. You can easily fit this in your luggage if you're traveling. Plus, you don't have to recharge it just as much as your Clarisonic Mia Fit. I honestly have put this on the back seat since I got this. So, it's a really good alternative. It's a really cheap alternative. You're lucky if you're living in the Philippines because you get to buy this on Lazada until May 31. For 100 pesos off. If you have PayMaya, you can get another 15% off. So it would come off at only 700 plus until May 31. So that's a really good deal. How do you use this? I normally put my liquid facial soap here on the bristles itself and I run it under the water. I try to wet it a little so that the bristles are wet. And I splash water on my face before running this in small circular motions. Another difference from your Happy Skin cleaning device over your Clarisonic is that this doesn't have timer. Your Foreo would have timer. It would, I think, automatically stop after 2 minutes or a minute. I'm not so sure. And this one stops after 80 seconds. So that's about 1 minute and 20 seconds. This one wouldn't have any timer, which I also like because I don't really find the timer function of this useful. I normally run this for 2 rounds, or that's about 3 minutes, or 1.5, so that's about 2 minutes. But for this one, it doesn't really have a timer, so once you switch it on, it will just vibrate. I'm not sure if you can hear it. So it will just vibrate. You can increase the power. It has 15 settings. I think this is the fastest. And then press the minus button to reduce its intensity. I normally run it in the middle, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I start with the middle and I just increase it if, for example, I'm having a lot of things going on my forehead. I try to increase the setting a little and then run it through my forehead, and for the rest of my face, I run it at 7 or at the 8th power. There you go. So after putting my facial wash and putting it under the water, running water, I just do small circular motions. It's not recommended for you to put this device on one spot for a long time because it might be too abrasive and it might, get too overstimulated. So you have to run it slowly in circular motions around your face, starting with the T-zone and then your cheeks and then your chin. So basically, the way you would do it with your Clarisonic, because your Clarisonic would tend to have that like nudging motion every after 20 seconds. so it gives you a clue when to move to another area of your face. You wouldn't have that with your Happy Skin, but it's fine. If you have been using your Clarisonic for a long time, you would probably get how it goes. But if you haven't, if it's your first time to use a sonic cleaning device, it's fine also. You can just run it through your face and put the mental note on your face. I normally maybe run this for about 3 minutes in one session. And I've noticed that it really helps, clear out my skin, and it's really effective in purging all the makeup residue from my face. I tried it yesterday when I had a face full of makeup. After cleaning with this Happy Skin Ultrasonic cleaning device, I used my simple makeup remover and there's not a single makeup residue that was pulled out from my face. So that's really amazing. It works really well. So overall, I'm really happy with my purchase of this new Happy Skin Perfect Clean Ultrasonic cleaning device. It's really affordable. It's the best value for money if you're looking for a beauty tool that you can buy. And it's on more or less 25% off if you buy it off from Lazada till May 31 and use your PayMaya. If not, you can still get it at 100 pesos off. It's still a pretty good deal. Anyway guys, I guess that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have tried this, don't forget to comment below your experience if you loved it, if you don't really like it. If you've enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!
A little bit too much of Hennessy. Just gonna tell you how I feel.